YouTube channel, Python Tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about the Python program. Program is given number is perfect number or not. Perfect number or not. Perfect number or not. A given number is perfect number or not. First of all, what is perfect number? What is perfect number? Perfect number means sum of the factors. Sum of the factors of a given number. Sum of the factors of a given number is equal to the same number except itself. What is the perfect number? The perfect number, sum of the factors of the given number is equal to the original number except itself. For example, factors are, for example, the given number is example 1. Example, the given number is 8. The given number is 8. Factors of 8 are 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, and 8 is also a factor. But sum of the factors of the given number except itself. That's why if I sum the factors except itself, sum of the factors are 1 plus 2 plus 4 except equal to 6. Except equal to 7. Original number is 8. Sum of the factors equal to 7. These two numbers are not equal. So here 8 is not a perfect number. 8 is not a perfect number. And one more example. Another example. Second example. 6. The factors of 6 are one factor, 2 is another factor, 3 is another factor, 6 is a factor. Now, what is the logic? The logic is sum of the factors 1 plus 2 plus 3 except itself. Except 6. Find the sum. Result equal to 6. Now the original number is 6. Sum of the factors are 6. Both the result equal to same. So 6 is a perfect number. So the 6 is a perfect number. Here write the logic. Okay, these are enclosed in the comment section, and here write the logic. The same logic implemented. First, enter the value from the keyboard. The n value equal to enter any number. The number is integer type. So now the return the value integer value of any number from the keyboard. Okay, clear guys. After completing, find the sum value. Now the initial value sum value equal to 0. Start the iteration I value equal to 1. Why I value is less than n, but not the less than or equal to less than n, because except itself. So now the less than n, I value less than n. If n, find the factors or not, find the factor equal to 0. If it is a 0, it is a factor. So to find some value, sum equal to sum plus I. Now, and after I equal to I plus 1, follow the indentation also very important. And after completing while loop, if sum equal to n value, print of given number is perfect number. Okay, else print of given number is not a perfect number. Given number is not a perfect number. Okay, given number is not a perfect number. Here given number is a perfect number. Now to enter the values from the keyboard. So now this is the logic. First of all, enter n value. Now here enter the n value. This is a n value. Okay, clear guys. And now enter the one more value is sum. One more value is sum I value. And one more value is sum value. So now initially enter any number. Now the enter number equal to 6. The given number equal to 6. Okay, clear. The enter value. Enter the sum value is 0. And now the I value equal to 1. Now clear. Now here to check the condition. This is the condition. Check the condition 1 less than n. N means 6. N value is 6. N value is 1. 1 less than 6. The condition is true. Now n is divided by I. What is the n? 1. 6 is divided by what is I? 1. 1 6 are 6. The remainder value is 0. Now the remainder value is 0. 0 equal to 0. Execute this statement. The sum value plus I. Here the sum value is 0. 0 plus I value 1. 1 value assigned to sum. Now the sum value equal to 1. and without if statement, true or false condition, increment in the I value. Now the I value equal to 2. Clear, incrementing by 1. Again the control goes to back while 2 less than 6. This condition returns true. Then execute the 6 value, n value divided by 2. 2 3 6. The remainder value is 0. 0 equal to 0. This condition returns true. Then execute this statement. Sum equal to sum plus I. Now the sum value is 1. I value is 2. 1 plus 2 3. The 3 is assigned to sum. Again incrementing I value. Now I value equal to 3. Again go to back. Okay, 3 is less than 6. This condition returns true. Again the n is divided by I. N value is 6. I value is 3. 3 2 is 6. The remainder value is 0. The remainder value 0 equal to 0. This condition returns true value. This condition returns the true value. So now the sum equal to sum plus I. The sum value equal to 3 plus 3 6. Again incrementing I value. Now the I value equal to 4. Again go to back. 4 less than 6. This condition returns true. Again the 6 value divided by I. 4 1 4. The remainder value is 2. This statement is remainder value. Remainder 2 equal to 0. This condition returns false. So this is not executed. Again incrementing I value. I value is 5. Again the control goes to back. 5 less than 6. Check the condition. This condition returns true. Next value n value divided by I. N value is 6. I value is 5. 5 1 5. And the remainder value is 1. 1 equal to 0. The remainder value 0 equal to 0. This condition returns false. Okay, now this is not executed. Incrementing I value 1. Now the I value equal to 6. Again go to back. I less than n. I value is 6. Less than n value is 6. 6 less than 6. This condition returns false. Immediately the control goes to the next statement of the while loop. The next statement of the while loop is sum equal to n. Sum value is 6. The equal to n value. N value is 6. Sum value 6 and the n value also 6. Both are 6. The condition returns true. Now then execute this statement. Given number is perfect number. Okay guys, clear up here? For example, you enter the n value 8. The given number is not a perfect number. Now run this module. Run the module. Okay. Go to the normal section and run this command. So now this is the syntax of the logic of the perfect number program. Now run the command. Run the program. And now enter any number. Enter any number. You are enter the value equal to, for example, 6. 6. Given number is perfect number. The logic is executed. For example, you want to run another time. One more value. 8. 8 is not a perfect number. For example, we run one more time. Your enter number equal to, for example, 28. 28 is a perfect number. 6 one perfect number, 28 one perfect number, 496 is a another perfect number, and so on. Perfect numbers are okay. Perfect numbers are one number is 6, one number is 28, one number is 496, and so on and so on. etc. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe via Digital YouTube channel.